Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Dan. Ano ba to? Living in Pakistan. So now guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Ito siya guys, sa may anong pangalan nun? Kasi maraming candy akong nakuha guys. Yung ko ano to. Dami akong gamis. Yung kukuhaan ko siya. Dami kong tinding nakuha. Look. Dami kong tinding nakuha. Ito, Coca-Cola. Dami kong nakuha guys ito. Iwan ko kung ano to. Yung kung ano to guys. So, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. 5 pala. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And then, gummies 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Gummies is 4. O, see? So, ngayon, this one naman, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 this. 3. But I don't know what is this. This is 9 and this is 4. And then blue also is 1, 2, only 2. And then only this, I don't know what is this. This guys, I don't know what is this. I don't know. And then I have yellow, but only one. Only one. And then I have this candy cola. 1, 2, 3, 3. Only 3. And then this one. I think only one. Yes, only one. And this one naman. I don't know. Twist to strawberry jelly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 of these. Wow. Wow. Nice. And then, what is this? Cola candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11. Oh, 11. I have 11 of this. Yes, I have 11 of this. And then, I don't know what is this. Panpasad. I don't know what is panpasad, guys. But this is candy of Pakistan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Only 5. This, only 5. I have so many candies. And I don't know what kind of and then only this one green. I don't know what is this. I think gum. Yes, gum. And then I have, my God, so small. I have one butter. What is name? What butterscotch? Basta. Yun na yun. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of fun candy. This is fun candy. Oh my God. And this one also, I don't know what is this. Kind of candy also. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good. This one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.